Toyota wheel spacers are a common modification for car motor lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their Toyota. The Toyota wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. We recommend installing Toyota wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Toyota wheel spacers can change the wheels offset and back spacing when you add some larger components or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric wheel spacers can provide higher stability. BONOSS Toyota wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Toyota wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. Toyota Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the Toyota spacers fit on the hub, it handles more weight and straight than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacer is usually more expensive than lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a center model of vehicle. Besides, BONOSS after-cooling Toyota wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There's a more notches that distribute on the corner of the Toyota wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously inert the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. So, if you are considering installing the Toyota wheel spacers for your vehicle, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. See you in the next video. Thanks for sharing. Have a good day.